Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how I make this soursop smoothie, aka juice, whatever you want to call it. I know it's so hard to find the real fruit in this country, but let me show you what I am using to make my smoothie. So let's go. Hopefully where you live is, got a little bit of diversity. So this is what I'm using. I'm using this guabana pulp, soursop pulp, because finding the fruit here is hard. It's incredibly hard, and if you do find it, it's no good. Okay, so when I use the pulp, and this pulp, honestly, it does the job. It does the job. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and bring it to my blender, my pitcher. So for this recipe, I am using evaporated milk, coconut water, light brown sugar, and of course some passion fruits. If you don't want to use the coconut water to blend it, if you want to just add milk, you want your stuff creamy and milky, go ahead and do that. I ain't judging. I like milky stuff too, just not my soursop smoothie. Anyways, go ahead and add all the stuff and then go ahead and blend it with the evaporated milk. If you don't want to use evaporated milk, you want to use the regular whole milk or fat-free milk, go ahead and do that, but that's your business. I'm using evaporated milk, whole milk. So I'm using this method we use back at home. You can go ahead and blend that passion fruit with the soursop if you want. I am not doing it because I'm a little bit, I hate to say it, but I just don't want the seeds in it. I just want it to look I want it to be creamy, white, beautiful, pure, I don't want the little black seeds in it. I'm a little bit anal when it comes to that. Yes, but you can do that if you want. So I'm using this method from back home, where you put the little sugar on the passion fruit. You get all the juice out of the flesh. You get everything out. It's easy. You see, I got everything out. Got all the juice out. And after you do that, we're gonna go ahead and mix it. So use a little bit of coconut water or regular water to make sure you get everything out, if you want to use that method, or just blend it if you're not like me. Not that there's anything wrong with me or anything. I don't know. Anyway, so after you've done that, go ahead, transfer that soursop smoothie juice with the passion fruit juice and mix it. And we're adding a little bit of almond essence imitation, or just add a little bit of vanilla, pure vanilla extract, just a little tiny bit, okay, like half of a teaspoon, depending on how much you're making. And go ahead and do that, and then give it a stir, taste it, make sure it's sweet. I didn't add a lot of sugar to mine because I don't really like stuff that are too sweet. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of sweet stuff. So yes, and you guys, this is it. Add some ice or put it in the freezer so you can get really cold, and then drink it. Enjoy. And also subscribe, okay, because that was a good ass video. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.